Hello everyone, welcome back to Pristine Auto Spa. Here we have a 1997 Dodge Viper GTS N4 custom full frontal PPF, and then we're also going to be doing custom sides and rear on the window tint and a ceramic heat rejecting window tint for you. I'm going to be showing you a couple things as far as the heat rejecting capabilities with this tint, so stay tuned, we got a couple things to show you. So over here, we have a solar power meter here. We're gonna be testing the kind of solar heat that's gonna be coming through the tent versus having tint and no tint. Right now you can see with the light not on, simulating there is no light coming through. We're reading none. I'll flip this light on here and you can see the reaction to the solar meter. We're reading at about, let's say 900 or so. It is gonna fluctuate a little bit, but we'll call it 900 to 1000. We're gonna flip over here to the XR ceramic window tint. You do notice that number drops drastically down to a 30 or so. We'll call it 30 to 35 on a total BTU there. So wonderful heat rejecting capabilities on these side windows right now. We're gonna be knocking out the rear window here in just a moment. This is again XPEL's Prime XR. This is the standard middle of the road ceramic window tint, we'll call it.
All right, so we wanted to add in a little bit more information about the different types of window tint that we offer. So this right here is reading, it's about between 13 to 1600, and this is without any tint at all on the window. Here's our entry level. It's called Prime CS. This is gonna be your dyed window film. It's gonna provide some heat rejection. It's also gonna provide kind of the aesthetic that most people are looking for. The biggest downfall to this is it's not gonna give you a ton of heat rejection, but it is gonna give you the look that you're going for. This is reading right now, probably actually a little bit closer to between 14 to 1500. And this is 20%, this is what you're gonna see from factory on the back windows of most cars. The next one here is XR Black. This is our entry level ceramic. So you can see it's reading closer between the 6 to 700s, which is about a 50% increase in heat rejection compared to CS. So a massive benefit there. And this is in your 35%, so a little bit lighter than your CS, and it's still providing that level of heat rejection, which is very impressive. The last one here is XR Plus, and this is a 70%. This is practically completely clear, and you're gonna be able to get massive heat rejection without having to go really dark on your vehicle. We commonly use this for front windshields. So if a client is looking for that heat rejection in the summer, but they don't wanna lose visibility, this is a great option for them. And so we just wanna give you guys a little bit more information on that. Keep in mind that this is a different heat lamp light than the one we were using previously showing you guys, so these ratings are gonna differ a little bit. In short, you guys are able to kind of make your own decision of what tint is gonna best suit your needs. Thanks for watching.